This is the Midland M-30, £99.95 from Nevadaradio. It's a very good price. So I bought one, imported by Alan, Nevada, UK. So Nevada have actually got their name on the box. Very nice. Anywho, I shall open the box up because it's still sealed. See where the seal is there. Well, you can see it. Seal's never been broken, so I've not opened it yet. And proof that it cost what it cost. That's when the radio was bought. $3.95 for okay, let's break the seal and see what we've got inside. We have the English part, specifications, control and display description. I'm just panning down here. This is a lot on the page, and it gives a bit about the microphone there, rear panel, keep my shadow out the way. There's the book once again. Well, can't call it the book, it's just a sheet of paper folded into many different folds. And there on the top says, mentions Alan, Nevada, UK. This is the other well, booklet. It actually is a booklet. M-30 RED, and inside is channels for which country it mentions, working mode and channels, and there's a couple of pages of this. And it goes down and down, down. There we go, it says red at the top left corner. Now we have the radio, and it's got the power cables fixed to the back. Here's the radio out of the bag. It wasn't sealed, it was just placed in the bag and in the box. It's quite a heavy radio to pick up, and trying not to get the reflection off the front, and just in case it doesn't give a good image on camera. You can see the seal's intact. Large heatsink on the back, SO239, extension speaker, think this is actually metal. It's like a gunmetal grey, and yeah, it feels quality. It's not plastic, it's a proper metal cover. I think it's too small, like, you know, it doesn't sit on this stand properly. With a look on the back, speaker there, and the I don't like these power cables that, you know, that are just attached. You know, it would have been better if it had a plug, proper plug in, you know, in the back there. 5 amp fuse on it. Same as this thing here. I don't like these. I like the normal insert that you know. You can buy a lead that so it plugs in there, and you can plug any of the mic on it, you know, that has the old style fitting. You can buy them from Knights, I know, because I bought a couple. Right. Let's see what else is in the box. Nice quality mics, Midland. Very nice mics. It's just this end I don't like. This type of plug. I love the old style. You get a bracket, and where are you? Spaces in there, and that's it. Looks like this as well. I've noticed it's a very spacious box, because normally when you take radios out of boxes and put them back in, they really are a bit of a tight squeeze. But I'm glad this Midland radio is packed nicely. Plenty of room for the radio to go in there, and as you can see, radio goes in there, and then there's another top on it, and then the stickers and the other stuff, like, you know. Well, there you have it. Later I will post another YouTube video of what I find, you know, whether I think it's good or not, because you want something that's really easy to use, especially if you're going to use it in the car, and see if it's, you know, I can work my way around the menus and what have you, and I'll do that like at a later stage. Right, okay, that's the end of it, and I'll see you in the next video. Well, that's the Midland M-30. Bye for now.